Chapter 5, Equipment Maintenance. If you're going to be using this unit on 230 volts, you will need a transformer. Be sure your transformer is rated at least 750 watts. Your SPL handpiece produces massive amounts of energy. For that reason, additional cooling may be required from time to time. The use of a tetrafluoroethane spray is recommended. This spray is commonly available at most office supply stores. It is also known as a non-flammable cleaning duster spray. To prevent lamp failure, never allow your handpiece to exceed 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Please refer to the following demonstration to change your lamp. It is essential that you first wash your hands thoroughly, as oils on your fingers can cause premature failure of your lamp.